Hi boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. My name is Mr. Mohamed Eljaroshi. Today we're going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 5, Jalal's Story. Question A. Jalal wrote this story for the school magazine. Read it quickly and say what the story is about. As you can see, this is Jalal's story. You can stop the video to read the story and then answer the question. Now, let's check together. The question is, what the story is about. One possible answer, the story is about when Jalal's brother Ibrahim was unwell. Now let's move on to the next question. Question B. Discuss which of these lessons you think Jalal learned. Then do exercise A and B on pages 23 and 24 of the workbook. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 lessons. Which one of them did Jalal learn? Number 1. You should always believe your brother. Number 2. You should always listen to your brother. Number 3. You should always play with your brother. Which one do you think Jalal learned from the story? Very good. The best answer will be number 2. You should always listen to your brother. Very good. Now let's move on to the workbook, pages 23 and 24, and answer question A and B. The workbook, Unit 2, Lesson 5, Jalal's Story. Question A. Answer these questions about Jalal's story on page 28 of your coursebook. You can stop the video and read the story again to answer these questions, and then come back to check. Now let's check together. Number 1. A. Does Jalal enjoy playing with Ibrahim? What do you think? Very good. No. He doesn't. Good job. B. Which words tell you this? How do you know he doesn't enjoy playing with Ibrahim? What did Jalal say to let you know that he doesn't enjoy playing with his brother? Very good. He said, I want him to play by himself. Very good. Number 2. A. Did Ibrahim say he felt sick a few times or many times? Very good. He said he felt sick. How many times? Many times. Good job. B. Which words tell you that? Which words in the story told you that he felt sick many times? Very good. He said again and again. Good job. Number 3. Did Jalal believe Ibrahim was sick? Very good. No, he didn't. job. Number 4. In line 18, what does that refer to? Very good. It refers to we didn't eat the crisps. Good job. Number 5. Where did Ibrahim have to go? Very good. He had to go to hospital. Good job. 6. Did Ibrahim die? Good job. No, he didn't. Very good. Now, let's move on to the next question. Question B. Choose and tick the best meanings of these words. We have 4 words here, and we have many meanings in front of them. You have to read the words and then tick the best answer. Which one do you think it is? You can stop the video and choose the right answer. Now, let's check together. An hour or so. Does it mean an hour, about an hour, or 1 hour or 2 hours? Which one do you think it is? Very good. It's B, about an hour. Good job. Next, unusual. Unusual. Does it mean what someone usually do, or what someone does sometimes, or what someone does not usually do? Which do you think is the right answer? Very good. What someone does not usually do. That's why it's called unusual. Good job. Next, Jalal was surprised. What do you think surprised means? Does it mean he was happy because something funny happened? He was angry because there was no time to think? Or he was shocked because something unexpected happened? Which one do you think it is? Very good. He was shocked because something unexpected happened. That's the meaning of surprised here. Next, my fault. What does the word fault mean here? Does it mean something good that happened because of me? Something bad that happened because of me? Or something new that happened because of me? Which one do you think it is? Very good. B, something bad that happened because of me. Good job. Now, let's go back to the course book and continue with the questions. Question C. You know the meaning of pain, but what do you think Jalal means when he says, "You are a pain"? What did Jalal mean by these words? What was he talking about? You can stop the video and check the story again. Now, let's check together. When someone says you are a pain, this is a very common expression in spoken English. It means you give me a pain because you are very noisy, or you talk a lot, or you make problems all the time. This is the meaning of you are a pain. It doesn't mean actually a pain, but he means it in other words. Very good. Now question D. Now do exercises C and D on pages 24 and 25 of the workbook. Let's go back to the workbook and continue the questions. Question C. Use the table to write 4 sentences like this one. My brother wants me to play with him. My brother wants me to play with him. Now I want you to use the table and write 4 sentences using these words in the table. You can stop the video and do this, and then come back so we can check together. Now let's check. Number 1. My friend wants you to help him in the garden. Good job. Number 2. Our teacher wants us to work together. Very good. Now number 3. My mother wants me to ride my bike more carefully. Very good. And the last one, can we say, my father wants us to ride my bike more carefully? Can we say that? No, we can't. Very good. Because in the first one, we're using wants me. Wants us. Because at first we're using wants us, and then we're saying to ride my bike. A bike can be ridden by one person or 2 persons, but it can't be ridden by a lot of people at the same time. Very good. So you have to be careful with your sentences. Now let's move on to the last sentence. We can say, my father wants us to go to the park. Very good. Good job. Now, let's move on to question D. Question D. This was the draft of paragraph 1 of Jalal's story. Look at the marks and work out what they mean. Try to correct the paragraph and make it better. As you can see, these are the marks that they're talking about. We need to write the marks and then write the meanings. We can use them in the empty space down. You can stop the video, do it, and then come back to check again. Now, let's check together. In the empty space here, you can write the marks and their meanings. Let's start with the word join. What does it mean? Very good. It means to join sentences using a conjunction. And conjunctions like what? Like and, so, because, Very good. This is the first one. Let's check the second one. The second one says GR. What does that mean? Very good. It means to check grammar points or grammar. Very good. Now, the third one is P, and it means, very good, check punctuation. Very good. Let's move on to number 4. SP, and it means, very good, to check spelling. Good job. And the last one is NP. What does it mean? Very good. It means to start a new paragraph. Very good. Now, in the space below, you have to use these marks and rewrite the story again. Make sure to use all of the marks to rewrite the story. You can do this and then show it to your teacher. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.